Hello, and welcome to the Nor'easters online facility booking tutorial powered by Easy Facility. Easy Facility is our software provider that handles our facility scheduling. This goal of the tutorial is to show you all how to use your team, membership, and lesson packages on our online portal. Please note, if you have yet to create an online user account, we recommend you do so before proceeding. If you are a Nor'easter baseball or softball player or have previously had a membership or lesson pack, do not create a new account. Please contact us directly at tim@nor'eastersbaseball.com, and I'll be happy to help link your previous account to whatever account you're trying to set up. Please note, any packages that you had existing will not click to any new account you create unless it's specifically handled directly through us. Please contact us and we'll be happy to connect the two. Okay, now to get into this, first and foremost, we need to get to the online portal. So if you do not have it currently saved, it's simple. You can go to our website at nor'eastersbaseball.com and click on the About Parents link. From there, we are going to go down to the important links. And as you see, we have multiple options for Easy Facility. Depending on what facility you're looking to attend, we'll decide on which portal you're trying to link into. If your account was created in Tewksbury, you click Tewksbury. If your account was created in Woburn, you will click on Woburn. For this example, the account was created in Tewksbury, so we're going to go to that portal. As this begins to load up, you're going to notice the calendar view. On this view, everything that is currently available to be scheduled into is listed. Some days there are more things than others. This will include memberships, lessons, group training, team practices, so it can become overwhelming. So the software has some cool features that allows you to filter and view what you want to do. So we're going to show you that feature real quickly. Here up in the right hand corner there's a filter button. First and foremost, you can decide to change, if you have multiple kids, you can have them all connected to one account. So if you wanted to book for Allison, my daughter, I would just select on Allison. But for right now, I'm gonna focus on the Tim Dano account. From here, it will go on to the location. Nor'easters Baseball is Tewksbury, and Nor'easters South is the Woburn facility. If I wanted to see what was available in South, I could simply click this little button here, and that would allow me to view the South portal. Over here on the time clock, if I knew that Tuesdays at 5 p.m. were my best times to get in some work, I could come in here on Tuesday, change the clock to 5 p.m. and then sort by that time frame, and it would show me all the options based on that criteria. The next one, which might be useful for many, is if I was a member or I was a certain, looking for just team practices or whatever, I was just looking for one specific thing, I could come in here and just click it. So for that example of membership classes, I would come in here, click membership class, filter, and now only membership classes will show up here on the schedule view. We're going to go in and uncheck that just so that everything is still present. And the last thing is by resource. Right here in this last button here is by resource. So if there's a specific instructor, you can go in there. Not all instructors show up there, just the main primary lesson providers have their own slot up here. So when you're getting ready to book into the system, you have to make sure of a couple things. One, first and foremost, you have to make sure you're logged in. I was already logged in, so I'm going to just take you through that process. Most of the time, if it doesn't say logged out over here in this corner, that means you're not currently logged in. So if it says log in, we're going to click on log in, put in our username and password, and we have to do it right, otherwise it won't work. All right, now that I'm booked in, it's opened up some of this portal here. Some of these options on the left-hand side. So on this is my main menu. This will allow me to change who I'm whose account I'm viewing at. This is all my contact information. It'll have all my payment information. I can do all my changes here. Over here, it'll show me my invoices if I have anything open. I can buy new packages, lesson packs, membership packs, anything that I want, I can do that right here. I can view my current schedule, anything that I have scheduled right now. For this account, I personally don't have anything scheduled right now. Book sessions is the area that you're going to want to go into when you're actually trying to schedule something, and that's what we're going to focus on right now. So let's just go to April 20th. And let's say that we're looking for my son is on a 15U travel team. I would go down to that slot and I would click into it. Right here on the right hand side, it will say book. If I am not logged in, it will say book, and when I go to try to book it, it will not work. If I try to book into lessons or memberships and I don't have a membership package, you'll see it says members only. So if you have any of those issues and you think that you shouldn't, please contact me once again, Tim@nor'eastersbaseball.com, Tim@nor'eastersbaseball.com, and I will take care of that for you. Again, going back into this, I'm going to change my view back into the month view and go in. As I was saying, my son 15U travel team, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click the book button, and that's it. That's all I need to do, and my child is now registered into that class. If I wanted to remove him from that class, I could just click back into that slot, hit cancel session, and it would remove him right from the class. Not very difficult to do. Same thing with membership classes and any other lesson packs. So this is really, really simple and easy way to do scheduling. Once I go through this and book it, there's another way to view it. As I said, over here on the left-hand side, I can look at my schedule, and it will show me everything that I currently have scheduled on my account. As you can see, that 20th date for the 15U travel is on my calendar. If I don't know what I have booked, I can come right here, view it, and go in and make any changes just by clicking on it and canceling it. This is pretty much all you really need to know how to use this. The more you start playing around with it, the easier it's going to be. If you need any help with or assistance with getting things booked, please contact us directly. But this should help you get your foot in the door, and then, like I said, contact us with any questions you might have. Thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to seeing you guys at Nor'easters Baseball.